Random walks with for loops go a fixed number of steps. Random walks with while loops go until we reach a certain position. So in this video, we're going to edit the code for walk 1 so that it works as a while loop instead of a for loop. And it's going to create a completely different type of walk. So let me go to Save As, and let me call it walk 2. This will be the one with the while loop. And MATLAB is alerting me or reminding me to change the name, because remember, the name of the function, that's supposed to be the same as the name of the file. Okay, so I'm changing this to walk 2. Now it's going to use a while loop, starts at 0, adds 1 or -1 randomly, okay, until we're a distance of n from 0. So starts out the same, starts out as 0. We use a while loop instead of a for loop. And what do I want? I want to know, am I not a distance from 0 of n? So phrased in a more clear way, I want to know, is the last entry in the vector that tells me where I am, is that not equal to n, and is it not equal to -n? So how could I do it? One way would be to say v_end not equal. I do that with this tilde symbol. N, end with these two ampersand signs. v_end not equal to -n. And this will work. So let's save it and test it out. I've saved it. Let's go to walk 2 of 5. So what's this supposed to do? It's supposed to start at 0 and keep adding 1 or -1 until it gets to either 5 or -5. Okay, so here you see that it took 59 total steps, took a length of 60 until it got to 5. Let's try it again just to make sure it's possible that it gets to -5. Yep, here's one where it took 50 steps, so it's a totally different length, and eventually it got to -5. Maybe a more elegant way to write it, rather than using these ands. Okay, I think a more elegant way to write it, and one that adapts better to multiple dimensions, sometimes there are two-dimensional random walks, would be to say, while the last entry in the vector v, while its absolute value is not equal to n. Okay, so let's save it. Let's look at it again. Yep, here it worked. Here it took 63 steps until it got to -5.